Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft Excel 2007 and check for the latest updates available for this particular version. So you need to simply just open Microsoft Excel 2007 on Windows computer. Now over here, you need to simply click on the option of the Microsoft Office button on the top left hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to simply select the option of Excel options. Now over here, when you are inside this particular section, simply click on the option of account, and here you will be shown the option of update. So when you click on it, simply click on the option of update now. So after clicking on the option of update now, it is going to basically check whether there is any update available. So if there is any update available, you just have to click on the option of update and install it, and then you just have to restart your computer. So that's how you can basically update your Microsoft Excel 2007. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.